In this video, I'll show you how to earn free Bitcoin in the year 2021 by using the best Bitcoin mining app for beginners. For the sake of those who don't know what Bitcoin is, let's describe it first. So Bitcoin is a virtual or digital currency, also known as a cryptocurrency. It's similar to an electronic version of cash. It can be used to purchase goods and services. Furthermore, many stores consider Bitcoin as a form of payment. Bitcoins can be sent to your digital wallet, and you can also transfer Bitcoins to others. Today, I'll bring you the top 7 most valuable Bitcoin applications available on the internet in the year 2021. Many of the applications we'll be discussing today are totally beginner-friendly and completely free to use. You don't need to be an expert in cryptocurrencies to benefit from it. All of these applications can be used as long as you have internet connection and a cell phone. I'll also teach you how to use these applications in the most effective way possible. When you decide to start investing, the most important part of the process is educating yourself. This is Investor Boost. Subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to leave a comment below. The first website we'll need to use is coinbase.com. And we're going to put it into 2 different uses. To begin, Coinbase is a Bitcoin wallet that you can use to collect Bitcoin from all of the other websites or apps we'll be using today. And it's absolutely free if you want to do it. And all it takes is a single click on the Get Started button. You will be taken to a new page where you will enter your first name, last name, email address, and password. Make sure the email address you enter is correct and that you have access to it, because they will give you a verification link that you must click on. Now, your Bitcoin wallet does not have to be on coinbase.com. You can build one on any website. So you must have one in order to receive your earnings. And once you've completed that, we can move on to the second reason we use coinbase.com. Today, if you go to their homepage, you can see that they are offering over $100 bonus. Let's take a look at what it's all about by clicking on it. They basically ask you to educate yourself on all of these new cryptocurrencies and are willing to pay you for it. You will be rewarded if you began these courses and completed them. The best thing is that you can use coinbase.com on your phone to learn about all of these latest cryptocurrencies while still receiving the bonus. When you've completed that, and you've received your over $100 bonus and set up your Bitcoin wallet, we can move on to the second app we'll use to earn free Bitcoin in 2021. The second application is cryptobrowser.site. It's compatible with both Android and Apple iOS smartphones. This is one of my personal favorites because of one of the things I really like about it is that it allows you to earn money while you sleep. This is essentially a Bitcoin miner. You don't need to be actively involved in the method. That means that if you install this browser on your phone or device, you can leave it running in the background. It will consume some of your computer's or smartphone's resources, but it will automatically generate Bitcoin for you. That means you don't have to complete any surveys, watch any advertisements, or complete any micro task in order to earn money. You can just leave it alone, and it will produce Bitcoin for you. This browser is very similar to Google Chrome, and all you have to do is download this app to your smartphone. Let's take a look at the Google Play symbol. This is what the app would look like. You can now get the basic version for free, or the Pro version for a small fee. However, I do not suggest purchasing the Pro version just yet, because if you're just starting out and don't have the funds to invest in this process, you can still make money with the free one. After you've done that, and you've made some money, you can reinvest it to make even more money. For the time being, this video is targeted at complete beginners. As a result, I urge you to download the free version from Google Play. Furthermore, I strongly advise you to install it on your computer and replace your existing browser with it, as this will increase your earnings and provide you with even more money. You can use CryptoTab browser in the background when using other applications. That is the primary benefit of this app. It's pure passive income because you can earn it while using all of the other apps that generate active income. Before we continue, please comment down below on what country you are in so that I can make more videos for your region to let you learn and earn a lot of money with the methods that I'm going to show you. If you want to enter our cash giveaways, smash the thumbs up and comment down below. Now, we'll look at featurepoints.com, which is the third app. It's available on both iOS and Android devices, which is a big plus. Since 2012, they have billed over $1 million to their users. They've been in the industry for a long time. They always pay their users their due money, and this is a well-known software. To begin with, you must complete a series of micro tasks in order to earn points that you can later redeem and convert into real money. As a result, you'll be able to participate in surveys and win cash back while shopping at one of their affiliate stores. This app has a unique feature that I wanted to highlight because very few apps have it. You can earn points simply by installing apps. As you can see, you're about to add some software to your smartphone. You should be able to reclaim your money until your balance reaches a certain amount. They accept PayPal as a method of withdrawal. You can also get an Amazon gift card. Most importantly, you will receive your rewards in Bitcoins, which means your money will be sent directly to your Bitcoin wallet. They even pay a good commission on referrals. If you refer a friend and they start earning points on this app, you will receive 50% of their earnings. That means you can certainly increase your income by referring your friends and other people who are interested in making money online to this tool. You can now sign up on this website by entering your email address here, or you can download this app to your phone. Sweetcoin, the fourth app, is the next on the list. You will gain cryptocurrency with this app, but not Bitcoin. It's because they've developed their own cryptocurrency, Sweetcoin. And I'll show you exactly how to take advantage of it, as well as what you'll need to do to win it. This is available for both iOS and Android users. As you can see, this app now compensates you for walking. That's all you have to do to make money with this app. Nothing more, nothing less. They will compensate you for every action you take during the day. And this app is ideal for you, particularly if you're a diligent worker. However, you must buy some products from their partner stores in order to use the balance. However, they have collaborated with hundreds of different businesses. As a result, you can now use Sweetcoins to choose and buy a variety of products. They work for over 300 different companies. As a result, you have a wide variety of items to choose from. This one has gotten a lot of positive feedback. It has a rating of over 4 stars, which is a fantastic rating considering the fact that it has over 100,000 reviews. Free Bitcoin is the fifth app on the list. It's available on Google Play. This app is somewhat similar to Feature Points in that you simply have to complete certain microtasks, such as installing some applications on your computer, watching videos, filling out surveys, and so on. And you will be rewarded with points that you can later withdraw into Bitcoin. This app currently has a high ranking. It gets over 4 stars in ratings. Last but not the least, here are the 6th and 7th apps on the list, which are conceptually quite similar. These are mobile games that we can play to supplement our income. The first is titled Blockchain Game, and the second is titled Alien Run. Both are available on Google Play. Keep in mind that you are exchanging your time for money with these, and depending on how much time you have on your hands, you may or may not be profitable. But I recommend giving these apps a shot and seeing how much money you can make. That's all there is to it on how to earn free Bitcoin in the year 2021. And that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you when I see you.